Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dan Nyamunjeri. I'm currently Rwanda citizen, and thank you very much for having me in this discussion and to allow me to have a part in this meeting. Thank you for the question you're raising about what is the disadvantage and the disadvantage of using social media. First of all, using social media, we should not take it in a in a smaller context, should take it in a broader context, because social media is a broader term, and it is incorporated with many aspects. So we should look at on those various angles. uh, First of all, for the advantage, social media is one of the another part is one it has been part of another second part of the people's life, since it is playing too much role in the people's life, and we should not take it as granted, because this is where everything modern life is increasing due to this social media. Second, um to deep dive in advantage, social media is playing much role in the communication. Is one of the communication boost in nowadays, since some platforms of sharing thought, sharing some ideas, uploading some videos, sharing message. So it has solved a communication obstacles that has been happening I think in 30 years to 30 years, 50 years, 16 years. So I think this is very good, and the people, I think, they are enjoying to be have to be having not to be not having such a challenges. Uh, First, it is playing as one of the communication post, one of the communication support for the people's lives, especially young people's, the youth, the people who are the teenagers, and from 15 up to 35, the what we call Gen Z. So that's the first. Second, social media has become one of the source of learning, a source of getting skills, source of career exploration. Since there is a presence of various platforms, various people, various experts who are every day uploading the podcast, uploading the videos that intended to provide skills, knowledge, particular skills. So now there is no excuse for the people who want to learn anything. Everything is there. Everything you want is reachable. Every expert you want is findable. The information you want is findable. So now there is no excuse for the learning, for the person who wanted to learn. So everything you want is accessible. I think that is the first. That is the second. First is the communication, is supporting communication. Second is a source of learning, source of getting skills, source of accessing knowledge, source of accessing and exploring your career, pursuing your career, pursuing your intention, pursuing your instinct. This is I think not in just a career, but also the source of motivation boost. Having there is a many podcasts being uploaded every day. That is studied to teach people to awake the people for working, for being aware of themselves, and having the people who are strong in mindset, and every day learn something that can help them to remove any situations like poverty, unemployment, and not being anxious. So the learning knowledge and skills are everywhere in nowadays, especially in social media. Second, the social media is playing a much role uh, yeah, Yes, for source of income, as a source of income. So social media is one of the source of income we are having nowadays. You see, despite I was saying the people as uploading the video for teaching and mobilizing the peoples in terms of providing them with some skills, knowledge, and expertise, or other particular skills and knowledges. Those people are being paid from being from uploading their videos to the social media, to their platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and many platforms that help them to earn. So social media nowadays is one of the source of income we are having, and not just few income, huge income, because as you continue to build trust ofteness, as you continue to be followed by many peoples, many to have many followers, then this is a chance and this is a source of income. As you grow in followers, then this is how, as you grow in followers, this is as you grow in source of income. So I think that's it. Communication, source of learning, and source of income. However, social media has become because of many people, because many people spend too much time for just scrolling, seeing the videos, the nonsense videos. uh, Nowadays the social media has become not just advantage but also addiction, because we spend too much time to just scroll and see what is interesting to us, what is happening to for in the in the social media, to just to see, to have a curious, not curious of learning or curious of getting something that has interest, that has a benefit to us, but also something that can boost the dopamine of our brain. But yet, which is in the future become addiction, become anxiety, and later become the depression. Uh, the social media is now it has become now it has become now a source of addiction. Being addicted by the social media, it cause anxiety, depression, and even loss of your life, loss of your life, because as you spend your too much time, that means you are spending too much life for your future, in the future. So I think to conclude, social media is have to use it wisely, because it is playing, to have said it, that it is playing much role in communication, source of learning, and source of income. However, we have to remember that the social media should be used cautiously and even attentively, because there is a sharing of misinformation that have any factor evidence. There is fraud in news. There is many manufactured information that is being shared nowadays. So we should do make sure that we are using it responsibly. I think that's it we should do. Continue to take care of that, and instead of scrolling and spending too much time for seeing useless video, we should do to spend too much video. We should spend too much time of saying and scrolling something that can boost our life, and also help us to grow in our mind, and also let us source of income in the future. Thank you very much. You have to use it wisely and responsibly. Thank you very much. Have a good time.